how can we classify rights? How can we put some order in this vast matter of the human or fundamental rights? There are two basic way of do some classification. One is to distinguish between personal and civil rights. Personal rights are those regarding every person as a person, as a human being, and are set to protect his or her personal security, his or her liberty, his or her private property, things or rights whose origin goes back to an extent to Roman law and in European history to the Magna Carta of 1215. What are then the civil rights? The civil rights are those owned by the citizen as citizen. That is, that if you are not the citizen of a country, you are not. I don't want to say that you are fully excluded, but you are not in the fully entitled to own, to be a bearer of these rights, which can be subdivided, which consist first of all of the well-known civil liberties, the freedom of speech, of religion, of peaceful gathering. I'm just let's say, to make this list, I'm drawing from various legal orders. Then comes the right to due process, the right to the equal protection of the laws, and the right to be free from any discrimination, from gender discrimination to age or race discrimination. I failed to tell you what habeas corpus is, but this is a minor failure because you certainly, every one of you certainly knows what habeas corpus means. Within civil rights, there are some subspecies that raise problems. Not so much the political rights, the rights to vote and the right to political participation. More problems come up with the social rights, the right to health care, the right to education, and even more the right to work and to a clean environment. Problematic rights, why they are problematic, we will see this, we will discuss this later on. There is another classification of which you should be at least informed, based on generations, is a metaphor, generations of rights. Civil and political rights are the so-called first generation rights, because they are they come up and are established together with political modernity, or with the liberal strain in political modernity. Social rights are called second generation rights. And then some speak of third generation rights, such as the right to peace, the right to solidarity, and the right for less developed countries to the right to development. I find it very questionable to conceive of these goals as rights. In the next video, I'm going to give you 3 comments on the question of rights.